Using a contact lens applicator provides a more hygienic and precise way to handle and insert contact lenses. It reduces the risk of contamination and potential eye irritation. Also helps individuals with dexterity issues to easily and safely place their contact lenses, improving their overall experience and convenience. So I have these two tools. One is for application and the other one is for removal. The applicator has a suction type tip on one end to hold your contact lens and a spoon-like tip on the other end to adjust your lens. This tool is helpful especially when you have nail extensions or you have falsies and makeup on. Because it has a handle, you can easily control your aim when applying your contact lenses. To use the applicator, you need to dip your applicator in contact lens solution for lubrication. And then you position the bottom of your contact lens on the upper side of the applicator. I do this instead of putting the contact lens in the middle, so the applicator doesn't suction the lens so much and it's easier to release. Then, using your non-dominant hand, spread your eyelid as wide as possible, keeping your eyelashes out of the way. And then draw the applicator near your eye by focusing on your iris. Again, I'm looking at my mirror so I get a better view, and let go of the applicator when the contacts are on. And then I blink a few times until I feel comfortable. Now let's talk about the remover. This one looks like a tweezer, but it has a silicone tip. This silicone tip makes sure that when removing your lenses, it wouldn't scratch your eye or rip your contact lens. These tools came with my Just for Kira lenses. This is the brand that made me fall in love with colored contacts again. It's a Korean professional contact lens brand, and they use advanced and safe 3-layer technology to protect your eyes. It's very soft on, it almost feels like nothing on, and it doesn't dry out like other contact lenses that I have tried. They select first grade henna to keep your eyes moisturized and comfortable all day. Here are the shades that I'm loving from Just for Kira. They have a wide range of colors to choose from, so definitely check them out. I really love these contact lenses. I'll be putting the link down below on how to get them, and you can also use my discount code Cherise for a 20% discount. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you did, please don't forget to like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll always be updated once a new video is up. Thank you so much once again for watching. I'll see you on my next one.